Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So in today's video, it's not any technical video, it's just I have planned this great gift for my car's birthday and I have actually the thing ready with me, and the best thing about this is I have crafted it entirely from scratch, just like the aircraft which I built. So anyway, so before we get things started, so I got my old phone case back which I had lost recently. So now if you don't know anything about that, let me show you a picture. Just a minute, hold on. So if you don't know anything, my car's birthday is coming up. It's on February 16th, 2026. It will turn 2 years old at that time. So for that I thought to do something special, and I think I've given my car lots of gifts. So I'm gonna show you the picture now of the delivery day. Please be patient till the camera adjusts. So this is the day of the delivery. So on February 16th it will turn 2 years old. So let me talk about the gifts I've given my car before I talk about this one. So yeah, let's talk. So I have given my car lots of gifts from the day we met, literally the day the delivery happened. I gave it, I think, one gift. Yeah, I gave it one gift. So it was actually, I'm sorry, I'm scrolling on it because I have to show another gift which I gave, and I think I published it on some site here. Yeah, got it. Okay, so back to the video. So on the delivery day, I gave my car the first gift of its life. So it was this Spider-Man soft toy plus whatever you can call, which I've showed in my 6th month birthday video. So it was to be kept in the thing which is the parcel tray, to be seen whenever I go for a trip. So that was the first gift I gave, and the second gift I gave was this one. I think it was about 6 months from then. So for the first birthday, I gave it first birthday. I mean the delivery day I gave the Spider-Man. For the 6th month birthday, the Spider-Man was already there, and that time I think I gave three gifts. So the first one was a pillow which I've showed there. The second is my toy, I mean my soft toy star which I bought from IKEA because I love ocean animals, fish, etc. I literally have so many fish toys, and I even have put one fish toy in the fish bowl which is floating with the other fish. So yeah, so I've given that. That was the first gift, the shark soft toy, to be with the car permanently, and the second one was the pillow which I gave, and the third one was DIY confetti which I made. So it was basically like cutting three A4 size sheets into small pieces and throwing it all over the car just like confetti. So that was the thing. So for the first year birthday, I gave it I think what, like two gifts, or yeah, three gifts actually. So the first gift was this small die-cast toy car which I have. It's a Hot Wheels car. So I have given that as a gift. And the second one was my favorite. It's this keychain. I'm gonna show you 1 minute. It's still in the car key. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, it's this one, which is pretty much a Marvel keychain. I love Marvel so much from a young age, so I've put it on the car key. And the third gift was an electronic one, which is that plug and play speaker, which you put it into the car, which enhances the overall sound experience. But most of the time it's at home with me because I only use it when we take it for long drives. So yeah, and for the second year I have planned something else extraordinary. So I've showed you that pillow in the video, that 6th month birthday planning video where I converted my car into a secret video filming room. I showed the pillow added to the comfort, but it also adds when you after I come home from school and sometimes I go and sleep in the car, or sometimes when I just go for a long drive in the car and just want to lay back in the seat, the pillow really helps. But I transform that pillow into something great, let's just say. But that was only one pillow in the car. There was another pillow in my uh, closet. So I took that out, did some, let's just say, building, and did it. And for the second gift which I want to give to my car for this year's second birthday is, I've also took a new Hot Wheels. I think it's some off-road trucks kind of a thing. I'll show it to you in another video. So that is the one. And another one is, like every other video which I've done, like birthday videos, I pop confetti on it. So I plan on doing it this year also. So anyway, so before I show it to this, I want to say why I'm giving all these gifts to the car. Because you may say, what's so special about a car? It's just a vehicle. But if you think like that, there's no problem, because everyone is different and their opinions on things are different. I personally see things like humans. I treat them like that. The thing is, ever since I met the car on the first day, I love it so much. Like, you won't believe, one time we went for a really long drive, like 300 plus kilometers one way. So after that, the car became really dirty after going on off roads, mountains, food spilled on the floor. I literally took the vacuum cleaner and cleaned the car by my hand. It was hard work. Took me literally 45 minutes to do it, but the result was fantastic. So anyway, back to it. So I love the car so much and it has taken care of me really well, because sometimes when as I said, after I come home from school, if I want to go play games, do videos, sleep, or do anything, the car's been a great spot for me. And you won't believe it, literally, like it was a very rare situation. Like, it happened around 4 months ago. There was no one at home. Literally, when I came home from school, the car key was given to, I think, some we have one neighbor, so we gave the car key. I took the car key and I slept in it literally till everyone came home from, I think they attended a wedding or some sort of function like that. So yeah, I slept in the car that day, and it was, so that's why I'm giving all of these gifts, because everything has to be respected. So that's why I love the car. So anyway, let me show you the thing which I built. So this is the pillow which I'm talking about, but I have made it something even fabulous about it. Let's show. You know, like in the Clavis review video, I have shown that pillow which I've done, which was given by the showroom as an accessory or something like that. So that will be put onto the headrest like that, so your neck doesn't feel pain. But to my amazement, when I went to the showroom to buy this, that was out of stock. I'm sorry to tell you this, but it was out of stock and it wouldn't come for 2 or 3 months. But the car's birthday is literally in less than, I think, 20 days or something like that. Yeah, so that's why I decided to do all on my own. So this is the pillow. This is an elastic. So I have built a pillow neck, whatever you can call it, neck pillow for my car, let's just say. So what I'll be doing is, I'll plan on hanging this to it, and which are obviously bigger than what we can buy in the showrooms. So that's why I built this all from scratch. So this is two for it, because for the front seat, so because I usually switch from front to back to front once in a while. So when I'm in the front seat, this will be a good thing for my neck, because even I can sleep comfortably. And when I'm in the back seat, it's also will be great for the adjustable headrest there. So you can put it, lower it down, and it's going to be so good. So, and I also can use it as a sleeping pillow whenever when me and my dad just go out for a drive, and I go usually occupy the back seat, sleep in it, have tons of fun. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and have a nice day as always, and bye bye.